Welcome to our channel The Child. Today I am going to show an arithmetic activity, multiplication bead board. For any concept in Montessori environment, there will be multiple materials for the same concept, because the child may find difficult with one material, so he or she can shift to a different materials and make use of it. Okay. And here in my channel already I have introduced two videos. One to introduce the concept of multiplication, and the second video is there for multiplication full chart, which helps the child to memorize the basic combinations and its results. There are 90 combinations, but the property of multiplication is multiplicand into multiplier is the same as multiplicand into multiplier. So, which is nothing but 4 into 5 is same as 5 into 4. So, out of this 90 combination, if the child memorizes 45 combinations, it's enough for the child to do any problem. You can always introduce the etymology behind the word multiplication. Multi means many, which we are very much aware. Plico means folded. In our day-to-day conversations, we used to use this word, right? It got folded many times, multi-folded. Okay. So in general, multiplication means when we take the same quantity and put them together, this is called multiplication. How to make the child visualize, realize and understand multiplication? That is where these concrete materials come into picture. For that, first for any presentation, what we do, we invite the child. We can say, child, I'm going to show a new presentation. We are going to do multiplication, where you can do it all by yourself. Okay. So before that, what you can do, you can write and keep the prepared problem. Suppose today I am going to do multiplication of 4. So I have written like this and I have kept it. Even you can take a printout and keep it, so that every time you need not write. And then ask the child to sit on your lap and observe carefully. For this, the material, if you Google for multiplication bead board, you will get variety of pictures. So what you can do, just by looking at it, you can customize, you can draw and customize as per the need of the child. So for my child, I want him to do multiplication till 12. If it is 4 table, till 4 taken 12 times. So I just drew it in a A4 sheet and I put it inside this cover. Okay, so these covers are available in all stationery shops, or even you can laminate, so that it will be useful for in a long term. And you need a counter like this. Okay, it could be a small toy. I have taken this from Snake and Ladder game. We call this Skittle. It's basically a counter, or you can say indicator. And you need cards like this. This is this shows the multiplicand, 1 to 10 cards. Okay, and the numbers 1 to 10 written on it. You can ask the child to arrange, or you can keep it aside. If you are going to do multiplication of 4, then take that card and keep here. Can you see a small square here? So place it there. Now keep the skittle here initially, or here. And you need shells, or you can take buttons, or some material which doesn't have the rolling capacity. How many I need? Here I need 12 bar 10. So I need 120. Okay. So any table I am going to do till 12. So I need 120 shells. So I have taken 120 shells. It depends on the chart which you are going to draw or take printout. Okay, so now we are going to do multiplication of 4 and the shells are ready. Now let's start the presentation. Now Now tell the child, shall we do multiplication of 4? Then we are inserting the card here. Now let us do multiplication by 4. Shall we multiply 4 by 1? So move the skittle to here. Can you see the green dots? This is just to place the skittle. Okay. So under 1. So we are going to multiply 4 by 1, which means we are taking 4 one time. So take the shells, 4 shells, and place it below 1. Now ask the child to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 taken one time is 4. So ask the child to verbalize and also write. Always ask the child to place it vertically. Now you can say, shall we do the same 2 times? Shall we take 4 2 times? Now place it to shift this skittle under 2. Now again we are going to take the 4 shells and place under this skittle. Now ask the child to count right from the first shell. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 taken 2 times is equal to 8. So ask the child to write. Now you can say, we have already taken 4 2 times. Now shall we take it 3 times? Okay, now we are going to take 4 3 times for the third time. So again place this 1, 2, 3, 4. So now ask the child to count right from the first shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ask the child to touch and count slowly. So 4 taken 3 times is 12. Now ask the child to write. So now we have to take the quantity for the 4th time, one more time. So shift the skittle and place the shells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now ask the child to count from this shell. Okay, every time ask the child to count vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So as I am doing it fastly, but the child can do it slowly. So ask the child to write. And here you can make the child to observe this pattern. Whenever a quantity is taken the same number of times, okay, 4 taken 4 times, 5 taken 5 times, it always forms a square. You can relate this to real-time example. You show the floor tiles in your house and also tell that every time we measure a land, we use square. And we buy a land or we buy any apartment by using square foot. Like that you can always give real-time examples. So 1000 square feet, if you are going to say a house, we are going to buy a house for 1000 square feet, you can explain. So it's like if it's a square, all the 4 sides are the same. So here say 4, this side 4, this side 4 and this side 4. So the geometry is also coming into picture. And also if you see the counting, okay, counting skills gets enhanced. And as the child, their senses are working in an optimal way. They like to touch and feel it. Okay, so they enjoy all these activities. So these are all personal activities. It will help the child to engage. So in a way, we are learning a systematic way of understanding. See, multiplication, every time we are taking 4, isn't it? Every time. So this way they are visualizing. Multiplication is taking the same quantity every time and we put them together. Okay. So you can leave the child, if you feel like the child understood this activity, you can leave the child. So let them complete till 12 or however you like. And if you see this tabular column, I have given one row for placing the skittle. Okay. And here 10, you can see this 12 columns and 11 rows. Okay. One row you can leave it for the placing the skittle. So you can do 10 tables, okay, till 10 tables. Suppose if it is 10 table, 10 taken one time is it will come till here. So you can do 10 tables using this material. Till 10 table you can do it, and every time they are doing 5 bar 5, 6 bar 6, 6 into 6, 7 into 7, you can show them, make them to observe the square shape. So if you feel this activity is useful to you, please share with your friends, subscribe to our channel and leave your comments on trying this with your child. Okay, so very simple activities. Thank you.